Okay, now I'm going to try to teach the molar motion applied to the feet. Now, if you know the regular molar motion with your hands, it's a whip. Like you whip the stick and you get normally 3 bounces, like that. Like a whip. So with your foot, you would use your whole leg for the first one, and then do the second 2 hits with your ankle. Now, to practice it, what you would do is just, do it a couple times slowly, like drop your whole leg, and then 2 taps. If you notice, when I drop my leg to do the foot ones, the ankle hits, my heel is very low to the ground. I start out with it high, and then it drops down, and I make 2 low hits. And this way. Now, you should work on it slowly, getting that to work. Each foot, probably 100 times or so. And then to work on it so both feet go together, you should work on the same exercise you would for the hands, which is triplets alternating hands. So it starts out with like triplet, 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 triplet. Starts with, well, I'm lefty, so I lead with my left foot. Big whip for the first one, and then the small hits, and then big hit there. Also do it as like a sextuplet. The accent on both at the, well, about the same time. So it'd be like. Pumping your legs up and down, just like if you were going like this with your hands. And then you can do it in 4s, like and then you can do that for like other stuff like that. Possibilities are endless, basically. It's also kind of good to use for paradiddles. Well, more like the up-down motion, kind of just where your foot is. Like the accented hit is up, the lower hit is down like that. So it's kind of like some like that, some like that. And going up and down like that is very, it's more flowing if you're rocking than if you're just trying to force it out like that. So if you work on doing it, I'd suggest doing 3 on a foot back and forth. Then try 4. Then 6. And however many others you want. Then work on doing both feet. Like you can also do it with 2. Just down, up. It's kind of like my other bass technique I was talking about on my other video, only you don't actually rock all the way down and touch the bottom, you just kind of pump your leg up and down. And it works pretty much the same, but if you do it with both feet, both feet are still in the air, or 3s, 4s, and it's basically the idea. I know this video wasn't as good as it could be, but I couldn't really think of any better way to explain it. So just experiment, see what you can do.